Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So, as you might already know by the title, I'm doing a look using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Quite a trendy video, which is not like me really. But I have it and I wanted to use it and I wanted to give it a good go, so I might as well showcase it in a video. This is the palette here. These are the colours. So I went for not a warm orangey sort of eye. I actually wanted to use some of the purples in the palette because I think that they don't get enough love. So the colours that I used was Twilight on the centre of my lid as my like halo cut crease. What is that one? Amethyst, the like true purple, that's like the main colour around my eye. I used some of Royal right here, just to kind of blend Twilight into the orange, into the purple, sorry. I used Ode, is this Oud? Ode? I don't know. The dark brown, just to deepen up the look as well. And I think that was it. Oh, I used a bit of Musk actually as my transition shade, the like brown, because I think it's really nice. So yeah, this is the look here. I'll give you a little up close look. And I kind of tied everything else in as like purple or lilac, so it all matches, very matchy. The other thing that I did showcase in this video is my Anastasia Moonchild palette. Little highlighting palette, mainly Blue Moon. It's pretty much the only one I used, so because it's kind of lilac-y as well, just so I thought it would tie in. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting this look as usual in the normal boring way. I'm using the MAC 24-hour eye base to prime my eye along my lower lash line and from my lid to my brow. You guys are probably really bored of me saying this over and over again, but it's essential to the whole look. The first shade of the Desert Dusk palette I'm going to take is Musk. It's that taupey brown shade. And I'm taking that on a MAC 217 brush and just buffing that into my crease. It's just going to be my transition shade. The next shade I'm taking is Amethyst. It's the really true purple in the palette and it's a matte finish. And I'm taking it on a MAC 221 brush. Mine's a little bit stained right now. It needs a good wash to get rid of that. But I'm just popping that on my outer corner, building it up a lot. And I'm bringing that into my crease a little bit as well. I'm also taking that on the inner third of my eye as well. We are going to do a nice halo eye with this. Next I'm taking the shade Royal, which is a shimmery, almost cranberry purple sort of shade. And I'm taking that on a flat brush and applying that right next to the purple towards the towards the center of my lid, sorry. And the same on the inner corner next to the purple as well. Then I'm taking MAC Select Cover Up Concealer in NW15 and I'm using that to highlight the center of my lid and also carve out the cut crease part at the top. So I drew a line straight down and just carving out that top half, making sure that you can still see a little bit of purple coming through above the cut crease. Just try to get this as sharp as you can as well. For that center part, I'm going to take the shade Twilight, which is like a purple blue duochrome, and I'm taking that on a flat stiff brush and I'm just pressing that over the concealer. And just building it up, and I'm going back in with a little bit of the Royal shade on a flat brush and using that to blend the sides into each other. Just so you have a nice fade. Then I'm taking the shade Ode or Oud or whatever you want to call it, the dark brown in the top corner. I'm taking that on the very outer corner and the very inner corner of my eye. And this is just going to deepen that halo eye and it'll emphasize the center a little bit more. I also took a tiny little bit of that on a flat smudging brush And I'm applying that just above the cut crease just to help emphasize where I've cut that crease a little bit more and darken the crease area. I'm tidying up and brightening my under eyes with some concealer. So my camera cut out for this part, so I'm just showing you what I did off camera that I didn't notice. I'm just taking a little bit of the Oud, the dark brown shade again, on that little smudgy brush, and I'm running that along my lower lash line. And then I'm taking a little bit of Amethyst, the purple shade, and smudging that out as well. For my brow highlight, I'm taking MAC's eyeshadow in Blanc Type. This is just a matte nude shade, it's a little bit lighter than my skin. And I'm using that to highlight my brow bone and use it to soften any harsh edges. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm actually taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette, and I'm using the shade Blue Moon. And I'm popping that just on my inner tear duct area. For my liner, I'm taking the brushstroke liner from MAC, and I'm doing a not too thick line and not too extended wing for the line as well. I don't want the focus to be on the liner, I want it to be on the highlight on the center. And then along my waterline, I'm taking Perversion pencil from Urban Decay, and I'm running that into my waterline because it's super dark. And then I'm taking a little bit of the dark brown again and smudging that onto my lower lash line. I want this to be really smoky. I decided to tightline as well because I could still see a little bit of skin coming through where the liner was. Finishing off the eye with some mascara, and at this point obviously you could stop, but I will be adding some false lashes. For my cheeks, I'm going in with Madly Magenta cream colour base from MAC. This has a purple hue and you can see it's very pigmented. You just want to take a little bit of this, and I'm just patting this over my cheeks, and just keep patting until it blends in. It will blend in even though it looks terrifying when it goes on. For my contour, I'm taking the MAC blush Next to Skin. I love this so much. And I'm popping that into the hollows of my cheeks just to emphasize my cheekbones a little bit more. It's the perfect contour, grey contour for pale skin. It's so nice. And to tie in with the eyes, I'm going back in with the Moonchild palette and taking the shade Blue Moon. And I'm just popping that on my cheeks to give a really nice, bright, slightly lavender toned highlight. But it's not really too purple. That's what I like about it. Now for my lashes, I'm going in with the Fleur and Fabulous Allura lashes that were designed by Fleur de Force. And I'm just popping those on my eye. And it's very hard to put lashes on while you're trying to film and stay in frame. It's very difficult. Onto my lips, I'm taking MAC's Liptensity lip pencil in Enoki. And I'm just lining my lips and slightly filling them in with this as well. For my lipstick, I'm taking the NYX Extra Creamy Round Lipstick in Power, which is like a lilac-y grey nude sort of shade. And I just want to keep everything nice purple toned, so this is your finished look. Alrighty guys, so this is your finished look. I'm using natural light, so if it looks a little bit darker than it did before, that's why. It keeps getting light and dark, and if it's getting really bright in a second, then I will disappear because I'm so white, and then if it gets really dark I look grey. So I don't know, can't control the weather, what can I do? Full list of products will be linked down below for this look as well. Everything that I have on my face, including my skin and everything, will be listed down below. My Instagram and Facebook will be linked down below. I haven't posted on either of those in a while, especially my Facebook. I haven't posted in like a year, so I'm planning on starting to do more with those. And yeah, if you did like this look, then give me a big thumbs up. give me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the look, and if you do like the Desert Dusk palette. And yeah, hit subscribe as well, obviously, to keep seeing my videos. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!